Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about a common issue that many iPhone 13 Pro users are facing, the white display or white screen, especially after a software update. This issue usually occurs right after updating the iOS version. Users report that the screen suddenly turns white, freezes, or gets stuck during boot. In many cases, the touch is unresponsive and the phone becomes unusable. So, what causes this, and how do we fix it? Let's start with the main reason. This problem is mostly due to a design defect in the FPC connector line or loose contact in the display circuit. When the iPhone updates its firmware, it reinitializes several hardware modules, including the display IC and touch interface. If there's a minor fault or weak connection in the display line, it may cause the screen to fail during boot up. Now, let's look at the solution. Now, use a suction cup and a plastic prying tool to gently lift the screen from the frame. Be careful, do not pull the screen too far, as it is connected by delicate flex cables. Once the screen is lifted, open the phone like a book from the left side. Use a Y000 tri-point screwdriver to remove the metal shield covering the battery and display connectors. Disconnect the battery first to avoid any short circuit, followed by the display and Face ID connectors. Now, use a thin jumper wire to reconnect the broken track. Solder one end to the original data line point and the other to the corresponding connector pin. Ensure there's no short nearby. Once the jumper is in place, apply UV mask to secure it and prevent damage. Now reconnect the display and Face ID cables to the motherboard. After that, reconnect the battery flex cable last. This is important to avoid short circuits. Once all connectors are in place, install the metal shield over the connectors and secure it using the tri-point screws. Double-check all screws to ensure everything is firm and in place. Now, gently lower the display back onto the frame, starting from the top edge and pressing down along the sides to snap it into place evenly. Be gentle to avoid damaging the display. Finally, replace the two pentalobe screws near the lightning port. Now power on the phone to test all functions.